Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's wig install is definitely going to be a goodie because you guys know I stan me some highlighted wigs. Today's wig is from Luvwinhair. This is their 180% density popular highlight HD lace frontal body wave wig. Now you guys, these highlights are so pretty and this lace is amazing. I can't wait to show you guys how easy it was to blend. But again, I did do this wig glueless. You guys know I do not use glue, I only use spray. So let's go ahead and jump on into this video. So as always, I'm just giving you guys a quick unboxing to show you everything that came with the wig. Now here is the wig here. Again, this wig is from Luvwinhair and you guys look at those highlights. The color of this wig is so pretty and I love the fact that like the base of it is black but the highlights is more so of like a brass blonde. I love it. That is what that hairline is looking like, as well as the lace, and as you guys can see, that is great quality. This is the inside of the wig. It has the adjustable strap, the combs, and it also has the silicone base to actually prevent your wig from slipping. So of course I washed the wig off camera and I also bleached the knots to my preference as well, but I'm giving you guys another close-up of the inside of that wig, and I'm also going to give you guys a close-up of that lace and that hairline as well. It was absolutely beautiful. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is add some makeup onto your lace. Now you guys know I hate putting a ton of products in my wigs in general, including my lace, because you want to make sure you're taking proper care of it because that's how your wigs last super long. Not to mention this lace is very thin, which is a good thing because we're going to have an easy melt. So there really isn't a need to add tons of makeup on it. You just want to do a nice thin layer. Now I'm adjusting that strap because I want to make sure that the wig is going to be nice, tight, and secure. I'm also the type who likes to use the combs inside the wig as well for a more proper fit, but the adjustable strap makes sure that your wig is secure on its own. So please do not worry if you have like a bigger head or a larger head. That is what that adjustable strap is for. The wig is literally meant to fit anybody's head. Okay, so right now I'm just using my wax stick and then I'm going to comb the hair back. I just didn't want any flyaways in my face because I'm going to cut off all the additional lace that we no longer need. Alright, all that lace is gone. Now you guys, before you're quick to lay your lace down, please make sure it's going to be lined up correctly. Make sure you like it, and then you can lay your lace down. So I will be going in with my even adhesive spray. I'm going in with maybe 2 layers of this, I believe, 2 thin layers. I wait until it gets tacky and then I lay the lace down. So with laying your lace down, you want to make sure that you are being patient with this because it could get messy pretty fast, especially if you are a girly who likes to use glue. You guys know I do not use glue at all, but one thing that I've learned when I used to use glue in the past, like when I first started using wig installs, is that it could get very messy and you want to make sure that your wig is going to be laying in the right place before you do anything. So I stress that, especially for all my beginners out there. But this lace quality, overall, you guys, is so freaking amazing. So I feel like even if you are a beginner, you should not have any issues with laying this lace down. As far as making it blend, like it just came beautiful and ready to go. So I like to make sure that I'm pressing the lace in. Now remember, lace is a texture, but your goal is to hide it as much as possible, and that is why like these thin laces and those HD lace caps that Luvwinhair sends you is really important, and it's extremely helpful because it cuts down on your installation process as far as making it look natural. So once I have the full lace secured, I'm going to also add some melting spray. The melting spray is to just help to, you know, blend in the lace a lot more, and then I will add my elastic band and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Okay, so that lace was already looking beautiful before we even secured it. So now that she is secure, she is looking great. I could not help but to just like fling the hair around and really look at the lace. So you guys are going to see me do that multiple times throughout this video because I could not help it. So right now, I'm pretty sure you guys are like, why are you adding makeup? You didn't need to. Because if I can see it in my mirror, I'm just going to assume that everybody else can see it. You shouldn't be that close to my face anyways in real life, but you know. So I'm adding some foundation onto that lace just to hide any spots that may be showing. Like sometimes the lace could be a different color, for example. That's why we add the foundation at the beginning. But if there is, for example, a spot that I had missed or something that needs to be blended in even more, I will just add some foundation on it to hide it. But as you guys can see, that lace came out so good. I was so happy because I'm just loving the lace. I'm loving the color of this wig. I'm loving how silky it is, how smooth it is. I just love it. I love it. So right now I'm going back in with my wax stick and my hot comb because you guys know how I am. I need to make sure that the top of the wig is laying as flat as possible. Alright, time to style and mold the rest of the wig. So this wig is actually very versatile. So if you want to do like a side part, a deep side part, you have room to do so. But I really was just filling a middle part today. I'm not too sure why. I really just wanted to stick with the middle part. So I will be using my wax stick and my hot comb, of course, to just make sure the top of the wig is laying flat again. Make sure the middle part is middling, like it's definitely in the middle and it's looking natural, it's looking secure. And then we will go ahead and actually curl the hair. So I will come back when we get to that part. Okay, so one side was done off camera, so now we are going to do the other side. But as you guys can see, these are effortless, like real quick type of curls. That's the type of time I've been on lately. I don't really like tight curls like that anyways, but I was just like, I don't want to make this wig like look super difficult. The key is to give effortless, especially with these beautiful highlights. So I'm using like my bigger wand curler. Of course, I will have it listed in the description box down below if you guys are interested, but I'm just going to wrap the hair around. I left it on there for like 5 seconds and then I let it drop, and it just gives you these really nice like beach body wave curls, and that's what I really wanted to show off because I feel like it was the best way to show off this color and these highlights. Okay, so I did like a quick brush through the curls, not too much though, but this is how it came out, and I just feel like it was giving effortless. That color was popping. I am so obsessed with the highlights in this wig because you guys know I stand me some highlighted wigs in general, but this one captured my heart. Okay, this is the final look, you guys, and I was definitely feeling myself. You guys, I'm pretty sure you could tell, but I'm in love with this wig. I've already mentioned how wonderful the lace was, the color was, the texture of this wig, everything about it is just giving luxury, and it was giving effortless. And I do feel like wholeheartedly, if you are a beginner, you should not have any issues with installing this wig just like how I did. Make sure you guys check out the description box down below. Everything will be listed there, including the direct link to this wig. Thank you so much for tuning in, and shout out to Luvwinhair, and I will see you guys next time.